Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my essential rewards. It's not really an unboxing today, it's more of a haul. I actually already unboxed all of this because one of my products got cut open and leaked everywhere. Oh, they're gonna be sending me a new one, but that's why it's all out of the box now. So if you don't know what Essential Rewards is kind of, I guess basically it's a loyalty program through Young Living. And Young Living is the company that I buy all of my essential oils through. Their products are very clean and pure and plant-based, essential oils based. And they own like most of the farms that they even grow the plants on. So they're very particular about the way that the products are made. Side note, if you haven't seen the movie, I think it's called like I'll write it right here. It's a documentary on Netflix all about the fragrance industry, and I thought that's a very good documentary to watch if you are into essential oils or just natural living at all, because it really goes into detail as to why clean products, especially fragrance, is really awesome to be switching out other stuff in your life for. So anyways, Essential Rewards, it's Young Living's loyalty program where you basically order a certain amount of products every month. You could change out the products to whatever you want. But when you order those products, you not only get points back, like you would at Target if you spent money, so you get points back to spend on more free products, but also every month they just like send you free products. So I love it. I refill the different things that I use from them, soaps, oils, all of that, and then I always get free things to try. And so today I'm going to show you what I got this month. So in no particular order, first thing I got is the FAVS laundry soap. I love this stuff. I don't really have that much to say other than it does a good job cleaning my clothes. Like I said, it's plant-based, no yuckiness. I love that. Smells good because it's FAVS, and it says you get 64 loads from here. It's super concentrated, just like all of their other FAVS products. And I like that I'm washing my clothes just like in something clean and not icky. So that's the first thing I got. Second thing, this actually was sent to me for free, and I thought it was ironic and really sweet. It's the Seedlings baby wipes. So I know this sounds dumb. Dan and I, we're not quite sure what we're gonna be doing with our baby, like as far as cloth diapers, regular diapers. There's even like this whole crazy like baby potty training thing on the internet. I don't really know, but I figured I'm going to need some no matter what in the beginning for cleaning, or whether it's like, you know, body baths. I think sometimes for some reason babies can't take real baths for a little bit. I don't know, but I'm really happy that I got these because these are great. Even if I didn't have a baby, people use these for like, I've used it before for makeup removing wipes. If you like want to freshen up in the middle of the day, kind of like give yourself a gross shower. And yeah, nothing icky in it, clean. So these were free with my ER order this month. I ordered a bottle of their B6. It's a vegetable oil complex. And the reason I got this is because I'm starting to rub all kinds of things on my belly. If you stumbled onto this video and you're not like a normal subscriber of mine, I am pregnant and I'm just ending my first trimester, so my belly's gonna start getting big. And so I'm rubbing like a belly butter, but I also want to do just like some essential oils with some oil. And so I just decided to try their V6. It's a blend of sesame seed oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, and olive oil. And you just add your essential oils. It comes with a little pumper, and I'm just going to be rubbing that all in this section. Another thing that I bought is another Valor roller. Now, I'm not even kidding. I actually have Valor right here because I was filming a couple videos. I just filmed one for Patreon, which if you're not subscribed to me on Patreon, I just upload bonus content over there. So, but I was rubbing this. Oh, it smells so good. But I just bought another roller because I go through Valor like crazy. And actually at Young Living Convention like a week ago, they just released Peace and Calming in a roller, so I'm super excited to get that too. But I got this for today. I also ordered some lavender bath bombs. There are 4 in here. Their lavender bath bombs are amazing. They genuinely calm me down so much. You know, I'm obsessed with Young Living's lavender. That's probably my most used oil, and the thing that has done the most like miraculous things for us, where I'm like, actually lavender oil was the oil that convinced Dan that essential oils work. I can't tell you what happened because there are rules about like, it's kind of the equivalent of making a claim if you share your personal testimony. But let's just say lavender is really good for skin, and that's the thing that converted Dan. And so I love lavender. So having it in a bath bomb, these bath bombs are amazing. I will use them at night before bed, and when I get out, I'm just like, oh, and there's no color, so it doesn't dye your bathtub like Lush bath bombs do. Speaking of lavender, I think I bought this. I don't know because I got the order sheet wet, and so I don't remember all of the ones that were free, I don't think. But I think I bought this, and it's another lavender bottle because I go through lavender like crazy. I put it on my pillow at night. I put it on any skin breakouts, any type of like, I don't think I can tell you that. I use it for everything. So there's that. I also purchased an orange oil because I love orange in the diffuser. It is everything. I also will sometimes take orange vitality and I'll do a couple drops in dark chocolate that I heat and melt, and I'll make chocolate covered orange flavored strawberries, and it's so good. But orange is one of my favorite single note oils. It's so like uplifting. I actually mix it. I don't wear any perfume except for this one like healthy fragrance, which actually isn't even really that healthy, but it's like less toxic in my opinion. And I will mix that with this, and I will smell like a orange creamsicle, and people will literally be like, what's that smell? I'm like, it's my orange oil and vanilla. So this I think was free. I got lemon vitality. So the vitality bottles with the white label are like labeled for ingestion to take internally. So this I believe was free because I don't remember ordering lemon vitality, but I love lemon oil. I can't say I love it as much as orange oil because I love orange oil. I also got Stress Away. Stress Away smells like you're on a beachy vacation. It smells like just like almost like a margarita kind of, I don't even know, mixed with vanilla, and it's so good. And sometimes I will also just wear this like a perfume, or I'll diffuse it. Diffusing and perfume are my favorite way to go with this. Although I want to experiment on making some like body mists because I've really been wanting that lately, like that sensation of just like, I'm body misting everywhere. That sounds weird. But yeah, I would probably put Stress Away at that. I also got Peace and Calming, which I don't know if I ordered this or if it was free. I could see myself ordering it because I love Peace and Calming, but it might have been a freebie this month. I'm not sure. Actually, just kidding. This was a freebie this month. I just remembered. I didn't order this. I remember when I hit the certain amount, they gave it for free. So Valor was actually free this month, and this might have been free too, but I don't remember. I ordered another tub of the rose ointment because this stuff is amazing. It's one of the things that helped me heal my cuticles when I moved to Nashville. I think it was a combination of, stress relief. My life is slower here. The weather is different. It's much more humid, and I started slathering this stuff on my cuticles. And now, like, my cuticles are healed. That sounds weird, but I used to have like permanently bloody picked at cuticles, and now I don't. Now it's super healthy, and I use this for everything. Lips, under eyes, elbows, my feet, my cuticles. I love this stuff. Rose is so healing, and I also think it's like antibacterial, and rose is just amazing for the skin, so I love that. I believe I bought this. This is a little bottle of Valor. By the way, one of my videos or pictures or something, people were like, how did you get that big tub of Valor or that big bottle of Valor? Young Living did a sale last month where if you ordered one of their diffusers, it was the specific diffuser, you got a big bottle of Peace and Calming and Valor. And so I did, even though I didn't need the diffuser. I'll probably be doing a giveaway of it. Because literally the Valor and Peace and Calming, like it was like less expensive, or it would have been more expensive to just buy those. So it was like, whoa, you get a big one and the diffuser. Like, it was a really good deal. I'm explaining too much, but that's where I got it. So Valor, yes, this was free as well. I got a bottle of lavender vitality. So I never do lavender internally, but I've heard people say that it is very calming when you take it internally. And I know people love like lavender lemonade, which actually, as I'm saying that out loud, that sounds really good. But yeah, this was a freebie this month. I also ordered a bottle of the Copaiba vanilla conditioner. So the Copaiba vanilla conditioner smells like vanilla frosting to me. I literally love it. And if you saw my hair care routine video, I used this conditioner in that video. I get a lot of questions about how I take care of my hair. And so that video, I went in a ton of detail. If you didn't see it, you can go check that out. But this is like, yeah, it's one of my all-time favorite conditioners. The smell, the feel, it's just so good. So I also got a grapefruit lip balm, super basic, but this stuff smells amazing because grapefruit oil is incredible and another one of my favorite single note oils, but also their lip balms are super hydrating. So I like having them, like one in my makeup bag, one next to the side of my bed. I love them. Now, I don't know if this was a freebie or if I bought this, because another oil that I go through a lot is peppermint. I actually used peppermint last night because I got stung on the forehead by a mosquito and it kicked the itching for me like right away. Like Dan and I will just, side note, Dan and I will marvel sometimes at how quick and effective oils are for certain things. And I came in, I was like, Dan, I got bit. He's all, quick, get the peppermint oil. And it was super itchy. And then I put the oil on, nothing. It hasn't even been itching since then. So that's kind of crazy. But I don't remember if this was free or if I bought this. I'm so not helpful, but I love peppermint. The last couple things I got, one, and this is what they're sending me new. I ordered their Aroma Bright toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. Dan does not like this toothpaste, but I do. I think it tastes amazing. And I love that I'm not adding more fluoride into my mouth and other synthetic flavors and dyes and preservatives and all of that. And I feel like it does a really great job. So they're sending me a new one of this. And then last but not least, I got Dan a box of Zing, which is their Ningxia Red energy drink. So Ningxia is a goji berry puree, and goji berries are super high in antioxidants. I think they might be like the highest antioxidant fruit known to man on the planet. So they have these little drinks that they sell. I buy the individual pouches for myself, and I have been drinking them while I've been pregnant. They're just like, it's like a superfood puree of like cherries, goji berries, just all these blueberries, and then they also put some essential oils in there as well to help like pump up the effectiveness of the nutrients. So I love it. And then they made those into energy drinks as well that Dan loves as well. So I buy those for him. So that is it for my Essential Rewards unboxing. If you are interested in ever, trying any of the products, purchasing them, you have any questions, I am a distributor for Young Living. I always realize when I give the spiel, I'm like, why don't I open it this way? I'm the worst distributor ever. But I am a distributor, and so if you're interested, if you want to send me a DM on Instagram, but not my main Instagram, I have an oils Instagram called For Your Life's Essentials, and if you send me a DM over there, I'm happy to chit chat with you about all of that, and if this is the time in your life to be taking your oil journey, I can help you out with that, and I would love to introduce you to this whole little world. It's really amazing for a lot of reasons. So I will hopefully see you guys back here soon with another new video, and that is all. All right, bye guys.